sent this really cool motorcycle. My daughter is loving it, and all our neighborhood kids have loved it as well. It only took about 15 minutes to assemble, which my husband did using just some basic tools. So it was super simple, which is nice. And then I love that it doesn't have a reverse. So if you have a younger child, they can't really back into things. It can only go one way. It's very simple. There's a headlight on, and then the foot pedal is on this side. They put that down and off they go. So have fun. Oh, that's your pedal down there. Okay. Put your feet on. Gotta steer it.
So hard part, but not go reverse. It only can go forward. Well, the easy part to remember is this is how you make a real motorcycle.
How do you turn on the light? Show me that. Cool. What do you think of your motorcycle?
Cool.
Do you like your motorcycle or your popsicle more?